Eskom ithi likhona ithuba lokuthi lohlele esigabeni sesithathu uhlelo lokucishakonga ugesi kusasa usuka esigabeni sesine. Lesikhungo sithi sisebenza ngokuzikhandla ukuze sifeze isithembiso saso sokunqamula lolu hlelo ngempelasonto. Eskom ithi ithole kanzima ingqalasizinda yayo.
We are expecting a number of large units to return during the course of tomorrow, and if those units stay online and if they perform as expected, then we should be able to consider lifting load shedding entirely by the start of the weekend.
Eskom isiphinde yaxolisa ebantwini bakulelizwe ngeenkinga ezenziwa ukucima kogesi. Yathi yawazi umthelela walolu hlelo emnothweni wezwe kanye nasezweni lonkana. Yathi ke isebenza ngokuzikhandla ukuze igcine izibane zikhanya.
We wish to issue an apology to the country for the load shedding that we unavoidably have to impose in order to prevent a much greater inconvenience and risk of a total system blackout. And I can again give you the commitment just based on my discussions this morning with the management team here at Duva. Our teams are really engaged and motivated. They understand what the implications are for the country, for the economy, and they are working hard to bring those units back.
Lesikhungo sithi zikhona izinyathelo esizithathile ukuze kuqinisekiswe ukuthi ugesi awucishi unomphelo. Eskom ithi zikhona izinhlelo ezikhona ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ukhona ugesi, kodwa ke iyavuma ke ukuthi akhona amathuba nakube mancane ukuthi izwe lize lifinyelele kuleso sigaba.